Welcome. Today we're gonna look at a grooming kit from Braun, 22 in 1. So yeah, let's open it. So we can see we have a carrying case, which is quite nice, good quality, Braun. Let's put it aside. We have a good quality razor here to get that clean look. So this is metallic, as you can see. Nice support for your hand. This rotates to give you better support. I think this one can be removed, but let's see. That's what we get in the first box. Comes with all this. These are when you shave your body or different parts of your body. It's to protect you from cuts. Same as this. Yeah, it even has one of these heads, so you could shave yourself. That's really good. And yeah, different accessories for your beard. Even I think this is like a bag to put all this in. Let's see what's this about. Interesting. So why do you get two of this? Okay, maybe the difference is this is clean cut, the black one, and then this one it's a bit different. I'm not sure, but yeah, it has all that. And that's the head for the razor. So that's how you install this. Really nice, and it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades. Look, guys, very good. Gillette. We also have a user manual, which might explain everything. As you can see, it comes with the charging stand as well, power supply, and that's the trimmer head in there. Ah, yeah, so this is where it explains all that you get. So you get the trimmer head, detailed trimmer head. You get a white foil head, ear and nose trimmer, contouring head, body trimmer head, body groomer head, sliding beard comb, sliding hair comb, and then you have all these other accessories. Wow. So that's 18th. And then to charge it, I hope it doesn't take forever to charge. No, it from 0 to 100% in 1 hour and a half. That's really, really good. Really, really good. And you can even get 5 minutes for a quick charge or something like that. Yeah, and then it shows you how to install the heads. So I assume this is where you have the charger. I guess I wish it was wireless. You have to push it into this slot, and that's where you plug in this. And unfortunately, it's this type. So yeah, very nice presented in the box. This is the AIO9, and I think it looks really nice. Comes with this pre-installed. I think this is the one that you use to shave with. Then you have the nose trimmer. This is the Pro Detail one, and then you have this one for the body, which should prevent cuts. But really nice presented in the box. There's something else in here. Let me see. The brush is like this. That's because it stayed there. But then you have more in here. One thing I'm telling you, I'm not gonna try and put them back in these pockets because it's so annoying. It's so hard to remove. I don't like it. But yeah, this is for body as well. So you just have to organize them yourself, which way you want to keep them. But yeah, let's have a look. Let's see. Oh, we're so unlucky. It's fully discharged. But yeah, so this goes up, 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 and it shows in here the dimensions, and down, down, down. You press this button slide down. Nice. And that's how it is, the Pro blade. I mean, when you look at how close are, they could be a bit closer to do that zero cut, you know. So it's just charging, and we'll have to leave it to charge for now. So guys, yes, I think it just needed to be connected to the charger, but this is how it sounds. Seems like it has two modes. So it's like this and that. And there you have it, guys. You can't go wrong with this one. Thanks for watching.